We have got the Backlash pay-per-view on June 14th, 2020, and the card looks pretty much set with a total of 7 matches being made official. So without wasting any further time, let's predict WWE Backlash. Edge vs Randy Orton. In what is advertised as the greatest wrestling match ever, it is Edge's grit and determination versus Randy Orton's natural ability. The build up to this feud has been great with good promos. Edge has just returned and his first two matches have been against Randy Orton. With Edge's limited schedule, he should have moved on from Randy Orton after WrestleMania 36 to wrestle others for potential dream matches. I predict Edge to win this one. Also, this is the only match that has been taped in the entire card so that the match looks good. Rest of the card is live. Next, we have got the WWE Championship match, that is Drew McIntyre, who is the champion, versus Bobby Lashley. Lashley and MVP have been a very good team throughout the build-up, but Lana is not on the same page as MVP but supports Lashley. Honestly, this is the match which is very hard to predict. Lashley has looked good and dominant throughout, but I sense a distraction from Lana that will cost Lashley the match, and it will be too soon for Drew McIntyre to lose the title as he had just won it at WrestleMania 36 in April. So Drew McIntyre should win this match. Next up, we have got the Raw Women's Championship match, Asuka vs Nia Jax. Asuka is probably the best female wrestler right now in the stacked female roster of WWE. Nia Jax has got the power game, but she needs to go away and hone her craft because of her frequency of injuring others. Asuka has become a babyface champ and she is doing a pretty good job, and it's her first title defense also, so she should win this match. This match has the potential to be good with power versus speed as its main highlight. So clean finish is expected. Asuka should win this one. Next up, we have got the Universal Championship Handicap match. Braun Strowman, who is the champion, versus The Miz and John Morrison. Braun Strowman is of course going to win this match. There is no doubt about it. The build up to the feud has been okay, but no one is looking strong heading to Backlash. All the comedy stuff by Miz and Morrison has been good, but I just don't feel this as a world title match. This is just a filler match for Braun Strowman. Also, if Miz and Morrison win the Universal Championship, the Universal Championship will lose its prestige. So Braun Strowman is going to win this one. He is heading to SummerSlam as the champion and will possibly drop the title to the Fiend Bray Wyatt. There is some story surrounding it, and maybe the Fiend will make an appearance at Backlash. Who knows? Let's see. Jeff Hardy vs Sheamus. This is one of the lamest storylines that WWE has done in a very long time. I personally hate seeing Jeff Hardy in this situation where his real life has been used as a storyline by WWE. Sheamus and Jeff Hardy both have been off television with long injury breaks and have come back to face one another. I am predicting Sheamus to win this one with a roll-up finish. Also, it doesn't matter who takes the loss here because this feud is far from over. Next up, we have got the Women's Tag Team Championship match. Bayley and Sasha Banks versus Alexa Bliss and Nikki Cross versus the Iconics in a triple threat match. Bayley and Sasha Banks winning the Tag Team Championships at last week's SmackDown came as a shocker, but still it's okay for them to have the belts. The main feud has been surrounded around the Iconics and Bliss and Cross, so we shouldn't be surprised if Bliss and Cross or the Iconics to win the match and take the Tag Team Championships back. But honestly though, I want Bayley and Sasha Banks to retain the Tag Team Championships because they have just won it a week ago. Also, whoever wins this match faces Tegan Nox and Shotzi Blackheart in NXT for the Tag Team Championships. Sasha Banks and Bayley are household names for NXT and they are a boost for NXT ratings. So I predict Sasha Banks and Bayley to retain the Tag Team Championships. United States Championship match, Apollo Crews vs Andrade. Andrade was a very good champ and I was surprised to see him hold the title for so long. But WWE are giving Apollo Crews a push and he is super hot right now. Apollo Crews is the current United States champion and he should hold the title for a long time and he deserves it. Also, there has been some dissension in Andrade and Angel Garza, so probably there is going to be a distraction finish. Apollo Crews wins this match and moves forward to face new competition. So, those were my predictions on WWE Backlash. Use the comment section to voice your thoughts on the pay-per-view. I will see you guys in a new video with a brand new topic. Until then, goodbye.